So, ayun guys. Laro ulit tayo. So, we're back. Kasi kanina guys, nagpaligo kami ng baby.
Your team is banning.
Nagugas kami ng... nagugas ako ng plato at ng bote ng anak ko. So, ayun. Pangalawang laro namin ngayong araw.
Your team is banning. The enemy is picking.
So, ang binan namin, si Hanso lang kilala ko dito. Hindi ko namumukhaan tong dalawa. Estes ba tong isa? Tsaka si Florin. Tapos sa kabila, si Granger, si Saber, tsaka hindi ko kalala tong isa. Bagong hero ata.
I am Freya, the guardian angel of Northern Vale.
I love the smell of gunpowder in the morning. This time,
The
the
enemy
choice is
is picking.
mine.
Guys, ang
Ready?
mind ko lang, masakit
Go!
po. Sasakit ng hero.
Let's play together.
Your team is picking.
Freya, Layla. Late game, guys.
My pleasure.
The enemy is picking.
Yari.
Muscle of iron,
Ayan,
bones of
medyo
steel.
may...
Welcome to the greatest magic show of all
Your
time.
team is picking.
Di ba kayo na?
Old Aulus still has a few tricks to show!
Sa bagay. Yun, may Aulus. Medyo makunat-kunat to. Sino katapat ko? Si Gatot. So, ayan guys. Ang katapat kong expertise na ito. Set din siya kaso more on stun. Diba? Si Gatot. Tumatalon siya. Hindi siya kagaya ni Tigreal na ano. Hilain talaga kayo sa ano. Paloob sa Torre or paloob sa Clash. Pero minsan may Tigreal na hindi marunong guys ah. Aulus XP. Punat na ito. Sino ba XP nila? Sa kabila. Freya. Magandang laban yan.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
Boots.
All troops
Rapid
deployed.
boots.
You smell that? It's gold!
Para mabilis yung kilos. Ano ba unang magandang buuin? Dominance o Radiant Armor? Radiant Armor, no?
I'm just a resourceful
Nga, para kay Chang eh. Sige, yung kay Chang muna bubuing ko. Mas mahal kasi siya eh. Ilan ba dominance? Magkano ba? Ay ka, dominance muna pala.
Everything's on the table. You got enough gold.
Ito, patay na to. Nice. First blood agad, guys. Palalambutin natin yung tank
You look
para
like a burnt boot.
hindi siya agad maka-forma.
Fine investment.
Ang dominance na agad bubuin
I
natin.
love the smell of gold in the morning.
So, kailangan ko ng level 3 bago tayo bumaba sa turtle.
I'm a squeeze
Level 3.
every last cent.
Level 3 na catch.
Request backup.
Okay. Dito ba?
Long as I get paid, I don't give a damn.
May
edge.
Chang eh.
Gold is
Enemy reached
everything.
level 4.
Back.
Gather at the turtle! Gather at the turtle!
Tara, patay natin yan. Ayun o. Patay yan.
Has been slain.
Gather at the turtle!
Magaling, magaling. Patay na yan, patay na rin yan.
Slain.
Galing talaga.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Nice one, mahal. Good job. Ano ang asawa ko?
Are you gold or grab?
Hindi yan, gatot na yan eh. Hindi siya mapapatay ng gatot.
Tapang niya ng beef. Mga labi kanina, natatakot.
Only penniless fools think greed is a
Hindi
bad.
mapapatay yan. Pero kung dalawa sila, takot na yung gatot ko. Pagdangat ko, natakot na eh. Hilahin ko yan, ano mo.
Out here, you're either the queen. You're not going.
Sige, okay, nagkakalangan yung sarili mo. Bye!
Solo kill!
Peace out. Teka. Huwag natin papaligimin yan ha. Mamamatay yung Karina oh. Tara, punta natin.
Double kill.
Oh gosh. To.
Wala na siya.
No need, no need. Umuwi si ano. Parang hindi ko makita yung mga kalaban.
Tago ng tao.
Oo, yung gatot nandiyan dyan lang. Sige, bawal lang ay. Bawal.
You look like a burnt boot.
Sayang. Wala lang tayong kasa. Ay, sayang. Di tumagos. Uy, ayun na. Wala akong
Ally
ano.
has been slain.
Tara, taas tayo.
Matang may bush. Baka may tao.
You know. Ito. Sayang.
Gather at the turtle!
Ito, ito. Teka, zone tayo.
Gather at the turtle!
Good game. Request backup.
Patay. Sira ang tower.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Sakla.
I love the smell of gold in the morning.
Ay, ang galing mo dun.
Ally has been slain.
Patay.
The enemy has
Tayo.
slain the turtle.
Mortal na
Gold
muna para
is
makunat.
everything.
Kaso kailangan ko nun yung pambubuo kay Chang eh.
Slain an enemy.
So ayun guys, di pa tayo nakakabuo ng pangontra kay Chang eh. Pero hopefully sana naman.
An enemy has been slain.
Tara, gatot, 1-on-1.
Our turret is under attack.
Ay,
Double kill.
loko pala ko naman.
Down.
Iniwan ko, sorry.
Everything's on the table if you got enough gold.
Kala ko, patay na siya nung una pa lang. Kaya iniwan ko na. Di ba, wala naman ako dadat nandun eh. Bilis tumakas. Wala pa tayo nababasag oh.
Are you gold or gravel?
Has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed.
Uwi ako, wala akong kasama.
Our turret is under attack.
Ah, patay ako.
What's your lag?
Ally has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed. Has been slain.
Pero isa po, Layla.
Request backup. Double kill.
Tara, wasok to rin. Teka.
Turret is under attack. Clear up lane.
Sayang guys. Nice one, mahal.
Slain.
Good job.
Gotta spend money to make money.
Armor na tayo guys, para kahit ang Oops. Trap yan, trap.
Gather up the Lord.
Get off my property! Fire!
Has been slain.
Superb tanking.
Request backup.
Ano ako naman, superb tanking daw guys.
Our turret is under attack.
Reset si ano ah, dapat. Ito si Harley oh, pwede nang patunin.
Has been slain. Ally has been slain. Our turret is under attack.
Para dito sa tower.
Our turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. Good game.
Not afraid of you. So, Layla. Baka gusto nyo lang. Kunti na lang,
Our
may tower
turret is
na
under
tayo.
attack.
Gold or gravel?
Retreat for the Lord. Gather up the Lord.
Ito. Patay natin. Freya.
Killing spree.
Ano na siya? Sorry ka talaga. Dito.
Superb tanking.
Oh, yung sakit. Hindi pa nabubuo yung pangunak ko. Ah! Wag.
Ally has slain Lord.
Went down
Saan
like
ka?
a sack of potatoes.
Ba? Napapatay naman ako eh, huwag kang mag-alala. Ayun, ay. May lord pala tayo.
Mighty fine
Nice.
investment.
Mas yun.
Get off my property!
Aulus, dito ka.
Initiate retreat.
ba tayo? Wala tayong direksyon.
Gold is everything.
Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat.
You look like a burnt boot.
Unstoppable.
Ako.
Solo kill.
Shut down.
Pag trap yan nila.
Inhibitor turret is under attack.
Grab. What's your last word?
Hindi pa sumasakit sa ano nila, lila nila, no?
Only painless move.
Lalo yan, wala na pagkakasa dito. Ayun o, Freya. Oops, trap yan. Tago sa bush.
Long as I get paid, I don't give a damn about anybody else.
Very lang. Hindi naman ako mahuli. Ano ba?
Your team destroyed the turret. An ally has been slain. Killing spree.
Nice one. Ito, Changi, oh. Ah. Sige, ganun lang ako. Dahil ko yan.
I'm just a resourceful businessman.
Alam, may pangontra na ako sa kanya. Pero ang happy pa din.
Athena yun ba?
Ah, okay. Tagal shit. Tagal ka na yun.
Instant kill.
Mega kill.
Tara. Rekta dito.
Gather up the Lord.
Lord.
Gather up the Lord.
Yun lang.
Are you going to grab?
Lapit na mabuo pangontra ko. Loko-loko ka. Ayun o, patay na.
Killing spree.
Marami na. Angat.
Every last
Shut down.
Patay. Ha? Patay na Karina natin eh. Oh. Ayun,
gotta spend money to make money.
kiras na ako. Di ba ito buong Oops, tingnan sa gatot ha. Baka mag-shoot.
Gather up the Lord.
Gold is everything.
Gather up the Lord.
Dito na Harley.
Slain Lord.
Ang bobo.
Kill.
Kahit anong gawin
Your
mo.
team destroyed a turret.
Superb tanking.
Wag, uy! Gulit ako.
Request backup.
Di ba nga? Ang bobong ko.
Here you're either the quick or the dead.
Turret has been destroyed.
Sige, lilikuran ko. Patay na ito.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An ally has
Patay.
been slain.
Nangasim kasi masyado.
Superb damage.
Our inhibitor
Sinasabi ko
turret
eh,
is under
sobrang sa
attack.
momentum
Launch
eh.
attack.
lang dapat. Kapatay lang yung dire-dire.
Been destroyed. Your team destroyed a turret.
Pak na ulit.
Initiate retreat.
You look like a burnt boot.
Hindi tayo lamang. Lamang sila. Baka naman, bak. Hindi la, walang kwenta, sayang. Inaabot. Wag mo na. Ay, nabiyang kulit mo. Pati pagagamitin ko. Bak muna kayo.
Kita ka, di ba?
Look, I'm just a resourceful businessman.
An ally has been slain.
Muna kami. Kaya. So ayan guys, medyo natalo kami doon. Si Aulus kasi ang greedy sa sa tower. Tapos si naman, si Karina, nasobrahan sa momentum. So ayan guys, talo kami. Pero sports lang. Ayan guys, MVP tayo. Pero okay lang. So ayan guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And send star.
Tanggap-tanggap lang.